Hello, welcome into an InEight Estimate tutorial video by CDP Inc. I'm Matthew Donnelly, and today we're going to be looking at archiving and restoring InEstimate. Without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, we've loaded into InEight Estimate. This is version 2023.2, and we've loaded in to our start screen. And once we're in Estimate, the location that we're going to be operating in for archiving and restoring is going to be on the ribbon on the left-hand side, the Archive/Restore tab. So let's navigate to there. So once we've arrived in our Archive Restore location of InEight Estimate to archive a job, we are going to be using the Archive Job button on the far left. And when we open up the Archive Job, it will open up our job register where we're able to select a project from our register. For instance, I will choose Practice Project MD. And I will save this in my file structure. And the cursor will spin for a little bit while it's loading. And after it completes its archive process, it will give us a success dialog box that says it was successfully archived. We can hit OK and open up our documents structure, and we see that we have the pp-md bid build job archived successfully to our documents. Now, in order to restore a job back into InEight Estimate, the process is largely similar. We'll navigate from our Start menu to our Archive and Restore location where we hit the Restore Job button, and it will open up our file structure where we can choose our bid build job to restore back into InEight. And for this instance, since we just archived this job, it says that we have a job that already exists. Would we like to overwrite it? We'll say yes. And after that restoration is complete, you see that the pp-md job that we restored into Estimate has opened up its own instance where we will then be able to edit this job and make any necessary updates. So as you can see, the Archive and Restore job feature in Estimate is a powerful tool for backing up our jobs and being able to store them in a safe location on a separate drive. As always, thanks for watching. You can find our website and further videos at www.cdp-inc.com. We'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to our email or phone number and connect with CDP Inc. on LinkedIn. See you in the next video.